Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Dapat ng dalawang na. Ang galing nila, mas magaling ang mga referee namin.
If you have any question, don't hesitate to approach the table committee. If we can able to answer the question, when every question you have, we can able to answer it, it's fine. Score is 29-27 in favor of Black team. Time remaining 6:20.
Hawak nila na! Ay! What?
This was it.
Lobos na niya lang.
Choose.
Napapalot ako, hindi ko naisip yung camera eh. Second team pa, Roger. Ang iyan na penalty na hatagan nyo. Lumalan nyo naman, lumalan nyo. Puro error na naman kayo. Dalawa. 5-point lead ng Inta. Ang Black, isa na lang, ang Yellow, isa na lang. Ang Black, isang time out, Yellow, isang time out. Magaling nila pala yung isa. Oh, airborne. Doon ako nakakita ng drive na airborne. Ano yun?